Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be unboxing and taking a quick look at this Audio Technica AT2020 USB Plus microphone. And in the end, I'm also going to be testing its audio quality, so stay tuned for that. Now, believe it or not, I've actually owned this microphone before, but I didn't really know how to use it and how to set it up properly. And also, I did not know how to enhance the audio in my audio editing software. And so consequently, I sold this microphone and then bought the very easy to use Samsung Meteor microphone. And then I went pro with an XLR microphone, the Rode NT1, which was a fantastic microphone, but it was a little bit clumsy because you had to have this big audio box and you had to have that thick XLR cable. So then I got rid of that, and Asus sent me the ROG Magnus microphone, which I have been using since I got it and unboxed it. But now I'm going back to the AT2020 USB Plus for my voiceover work. And one reason as to why I'm doing this is because it looks awesome. And number two, and most importantly, I'm switching microphones because this one sounds a whole lot better if you can set it up properly. So without talking anymore, let's just get straight into the box and take a look at this awesome microphone. Oh, and by the way, I paid for this microphone with Bitcoin. That was such a pleasant experience. It's really awesome how some of the biggest online retailers here in Sweden, in terms of electronics that is, are now starting to accept Bitcoin. So that is pretty damn awesome. So, opening up the box, we do have our purchase registration card, which I'm not going to be using whatsoever. We do have a disposal of old electrical and electronic equipment thingy. And then we have our manual, I suppose. Yes, the instruction manual. I will not need this either. It's a very simple microphone to use. I don't understand why I couldn't use it before. Yeah, I wasn't as sharp back then. And then we have this piece here. Let's take that out of the way. And here we have the box divided into two sections. And so here at the top we have the microphone itself, and it is very nicely presented, but most importantly, it's very nicely protected. And then down here on the bottom half of the box, we have this leather pouch. I'm not sure if this is real leather or not. Probably not. It has a stamped Audio Technica logo. Get this zipper up, and we do have our accessories here, which include, number one, and most importantly, the USB cable for connecting this to your computer. And then here, I assume this is the stand. Yes, this is the stand for the microphone, which you are going to be using here with these legs here. You can also mount this on a real professional microphone stand if you would like to do that, which I am probably going to be doing. But for now, I will be using this thing, which is on the box as well, I think. Yeah, this stand right here. It's good to have in the beginning. And yeah, that's it. So this is a very nice pouch to keep your microphone and the microphone accessories when traveling. I will not be needing this really, but it's nice that they include that. Now let's get into the microphone. Just close up this box. It is quite a heavy microphone. It screams quality all over the place. So here it is, wrapped in plastic. Oh yeah, this is a beautiful microphone. Extremely heavy actually, you know, for the size of it. On the back here we have an aux out port for connecting headphones so that you can listen to your voice to make sure that it sounds all good. And then this slider here is for balancing how much audio you want from the mic and how much audio you want from your computer. So that is nice to just balance that out if you want more computer noise or more microphone noise in your ears if you have connected some headphones. If not, then this thing does absolutely nothing. And here we have the volume slider for those said headphones if you decide to connect them. And then down here we have our USB connection. And so for those of you out there who are purchasing this microphone yourself and want to know how to set it up, It's actually very easy on this stand. You just take your microphone, you take this part which comes in the box, of course, and you slide it down like this onto the flat bottom here, like so, and then you just screw it on. And once it's all in, it sits perfectly like this. Then you take this end and you screw on the tripod piece, just like so. And you can adjust this however you would like it to be. And so as you can see now, when you connect it to your computer and it receives power, it does shine blue inside of the capsule. It's really nice looking. But without any further ado, let me open up Audacity on my MacBook and let's record with the AT2020 Plus. I'm not sure how I've set up the audio yet in terms of volume. So we are going to be switching from this microphone to that microphone in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, now I am speaking to you on the Audio Technica AT2020 Plus. Let me know how you guys like this audio. This is completely unedited, just off the microphone. Alright guys, now I'm speaking to you on the same microphone, but now I have added some EQ and some compression to it. Let me know what you guys think of this audio in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of this microphone. Do you like it or not? Is it worth its price tag of around $120? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.